Wow, isn't it amazing that a cocoa powder is still dry? Do you know why? Let's find out in this video. For this activity we need a bowl of milk, cocoa powder, toothpick and a spoon. We shall take a spoonful of cocoa powder and slowly dip it in this milk. Now let's pull it out and poke it with this toothpick. As you can see, the cocoa powder magically turns dry. How does this happen? Cocoa powder is mildly hydrophobic, meaning it repels water and attracts air. So when you dip the cocoa powder in the milk, it forms a water bubble around the air and cocoa. So once you pull the cocoa powder out of the milk, the water bubble is now surrounding the cocoa, which is still dry. The water bubble doesn't break because of the surface tension of water. But once you pop the water bubble, you break the skin of the bubble and reveals the dry cocoa powder inside it. And if you want to know how to make a homemade fire extinguisher, click here to find out and click here to subscribe.